Hi, thanks for taking time to watch this promo video, and in the next few minutes let me quickly explain about this course. This course is all about learning and running embedded Linux and its various components on the ARM based board. One of the most famous board in the market, Beaglebone, is considered for this course. This should be the perfect course for the beginners and also for the professionals and for those who want to get started with the ARM Linux systems. So what exactly will you learn in this course? First, we will learn about the AM335x SOC and its functional block. Then the booting sequences of bootloaders and Linux kernel on this board. Then we will step by step boot the boot images on the board such as MLO, U-Boot and the Linux kernel along with the theory explanations, and we will understand the boot sequences. In this course, I will also explain different types of booting the board with the Linux kernel, like the memory as well as the peripheral booting. You will learn about eMMC booting, SD card booting, TFTP booting, serial and also NFS booting. You can experiment all these booting methods on your board practically step by step with supporting theory explanations. And you can even extend these knowledge to any ARM based board you have. I will show you how easy it is to use BusyBox, Buildroot, integrating runtime scripts, adding support for system utilities to your own file system which you generate from the BusyBox and Buildroot compilations. And we will test all these things on the hardware. I will also show you how you can write, cross-compile and transfer the C application written for your Beaglebone using the Eclipse IDE. The course also covers a couple of interesting hardware interfacing projects, and we will develop interesting applications using C programming under Eclipse environment. The 7-segment display interfacing and 4-digit 7-segment display interfacing, LCD interfacing, MPU 6050 accelerometer and gyroscope sensor interfacing, tilt sensing application, online news display application, Twitter trend display application, EEPROM reading and writing application, and much more are covered with step-by-step explanations. Here you will learn interfacing of various commonly used peripherals to the Beaglebone Black hardware. You will understand their inner workings step by step and also develop code using C in the Eclipse environment. As and when required, I will also take you to the technical reference manual of the AM335x SOC to understand various subsystems of the SOC and their inner workings and how to extract the informations from the TRM. As you complete each section, you will also be presented with a couple of assignments or challenges, doing which will build your confidence in the domain of embedded Linux systems and strengthen your understanding, and also you can have lots of fun. In future, I'll be adding lots of projects in the area of wireless networking, Bluetooth, writing device drivers, audio video applications, touchscreen application, etc. Alright, so that's a quick intro to my new course, and now I suggest you to watch this overview lecture to know more about what exactly covered in this course. And reading this FAQ will also clear your doubts about the course. And remember that once you enroll for this course, I'll be answering for all your questions and doubts. You can post your questions on the Q&A discussion board, and this course will be for your lifetime enrollment. There is no such deadline to complete this course. You can watch it whenever you want, and once you complete 100% of the course, you can also download the course certificate from Udemy. And remember that if you are using Android and iOS app, then you can also watch this course in offline mode. Okay, I promise adding lots of value to the course, and also the course justifies the money you are going to pay to enroll for this course.